Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the LEGO Creator Set 10259 Winter Village Station. It has 902 pieces. So in this set you get the station, and then you get a little bus and a crossing, and then some tracks, some extra tracks if you have the train. On the back it shows all the stuff you can do. Load the bus up, buy your tickets, get some coffee while you wait, cross the train tracks. So let's open it up. I'm excited to build this one. Start my holiday winter village. Lots of plates. There's bag number 2. Oh, there's another 2. Smaller plates. There's a bag number 1. There's some windows in this one and some tires and some yellow. This looks like it might be the bus or part of the bus. There's a tree. I love getting trees. And that was another bag number 1. And here is the instructions. Looks like you get 2 books and some stickers. They're sealed up in here. It's nice when they do that and then they don't get wrinkled. Those are cool stickers. Winter Village. Oh, there's the track. It looks like you get 4 pieces of track. There's another bag 2. And another bag 2. Ooh, you get one of those at least in there. That's a cool piece. And one of these. There's more. There's more. I think this is the last one. Come on. Come on. It's stuck. Okay, I have to reach in and get it. That's all. Okay. There's one more number 1 bag. It was stuck back there. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags, and 4 loose tracks. And the instructions and stickers. So that is what is in the bag. I mean the box. Thanks for watching.